Okay, here we go again. This is a recheck too. This is us at the house. So we're just going to go down the drain here. Have a look. Let's see what's going on. Since this was altered. Hey guys. Hey mate. Okay, it's us on inspection there.
We haven't had any problems since Friday after that, eh? Paul, okay?
I reckon the council main was blocked, mate.
Oh, okay.
Because I've gone all the way down to the council main and there's nothing wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can feel from here.
Yeah, well, apparently they went down through here, but they went, he lifted he lifted that cap at the front and it was blocked to there. So we've come down here to flush anything else, like cut out any more tree roots. But we did that, well, you know how long we were here last time.
Yeah.
And we're pretty bloody thorough, so that's why we're a bit shocked that it's blocked up. But just having a look. Yeah, so I reckon, judging by the top of the drain, something's
Pretty clean, isn't it?
oh yeah, we've just been through here. We've sent ours here cleaning it out. Should be coming up that PVC that we've got out in the road. So that there, there's a thick paper in there, but so that's where we've gone down out the road.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. That's part 2. We've gone down from the house down and it's all looking clear. It's clean as a bell all the way to the inspection at the front. And this is the inspection that we've gone through out to the street. So there's nothing, there should be nothing in there that's blocking this unless the council main's blocked up. So, oh, hold on, I'm still recording that. So, yeah. As you can see, there's nothing there at all. Alright, thank you.